Happy Sunday! Welcome to Cosying Up with Essy, where we do all things DIYs, home decor and organization, hauls, thrifts, tips and hacks for your home. My name is Essy and welcome again to our home of simple, cozy and inexpensive ideas. Today's DIY is an aesthetic DIY rope mirror. I'm going to be making a DIY rope frame for my for a mirror that I have in the house. I have had it for a long time and I really don't like the wooden frame. So we'll be removing the wooden frame and then upcycling the mirror as well. This is a DIY that I have been meaning to do, so come along with me as I make the DIY and I hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't joined our DIY family yet, hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So as I said earlier, today's DIY we are upcycling this old mirror that I have had for some time. So what I'm doing, just removing the tape that was around it. This is at the back side, and then I'm using my cutter to remove the nails. So I'll remove the nails, all the nails that were holding the mirror in place, and then I'm going to remove the frame and we are going to create a new frame from scratch. I'm going to be creating the new frame with carton. So this carton that I'm going to use, it's a bit a hard carton. So these ones that come with detergent. So I'm going to be using one of those cartons. So the first thing, as you can see, I've removed the mirror and this is the frame. So I'll be using this frame to do something else in a different project. So I'm not going to throw it away, I'm just going to keep it. And yeah, so I have already cut the cardboard, the carton. This is what I'm doing. I'm measuring and just cutting the edges to just have some clean edges. So I'm using my metal ruler and this is a cutter. It's sharp, so it's very easy to use. So once I do that and just get the width of the frame, I'm also going to be just cutting it around as well, because I don't want a rectangular mirror anymore. So I want it to have some shape, some form of shape. So what I'm doing is I'm going to stick the mirror first and then I'm going to do the rest with you guys. So when doing such a DIY, you need to do the measurements and take correct measurements, and then you can trace the shape that you want. So for this mirror, mine it's a rectangular one. You can also do this with a square mirror or any other type of mirror that you have. And these mirrors are this DIY is so good because it's you can place the mirror on your entryway, you can place it on your bathroom, you can also use it for your vanity area. So it's an aesthetic DIY that you can make for different areas of your house. And yeah, just have a nice mirror which is inexpensive and very yeah, just as you can see, it's very inexpensive, it's affordable and it's very easy to make. So what I'm doing here, I'm just cutting the edges and creating a shape of what I want. So then place the mirror. I'm going to use hot glue to stick the mirror down on the carton so that it can be very firm, because I don't have nails. As you can see, my hot glue is smoking hot. My glue gun is hot, it's smoking hot. And yeah, so guys, that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, you can see the other process as we continue. I've already made the edges of the frame. So now what I'm going to do, we are going to go to the next step, and this is gluing the rope down. So I'm using a Macrame yarn rope. So this is it's not just the usual Macrame yarn that I use for other DIY projects. It's a bit thick. So you can also use any rope that you have, because this is a DIY rope mirror. So this is what I had at my convenience at the time, so I used this one. If you had, I wish I had a thicker yarn, but a thicker rope, sorry, but I didn't, so I used this one. So yeah guys, watch until the end. This will be a repetitive somehow process, because we are just hot gluing the rope just next to the mirror, and then we're going to hot glue the rope as well in the shape that I have created. So one thing you want to do, you want to make sure that when you're gluing the rope, just make sure that you don't leave spaces spaces in between the mirror and also the rope, so that you can get a good clean aesthetic mirror for yourself. So as I said earlier, as you can see, it's just a repetitive process. So I'm just going to do this until I finish, and yeah, you'll be able to see how the mirror turns out. And let me know in the comment section below if it's something that you would do for your the mirrors that you have in the house. Or yeah. So this is the mirror is already done, and I need to put something on the back, because I'll be hanging this mirror as well. So the first thing I want to do, I want to create a border inside the mirror. So this is what I'll be doing, just placing the hot glue, again the same process, and then I'll cut a small piece of the yarn, and then just place it on the back of the mirror to be able to hang it. So that's what I'll be doing, and I'll be doing this using hot glue. So our mirror is all done, as you can see. Looks so perfect, and this is a mirror that you can, as I said, you can place it on your entryway, on your bathroom. You can do this for your vanity area or any other mirror that you have around your house. Just an aesthetic rope mirror. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. It was such a nice DIY that I made. I hope to see what you make as well. This is something that you can do for your bathroom, you can do for your entryway mirrors, you can also do it for your vanity area mirror. So you can do it even with different shapes of mirrors. You can use a circular mirror. You can also use a rectangular mirror, and it's something that you can actually do even in the big mirrors, the one that you see yourself with. So yeah, I hope it was an interesting video, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below as well, and let me know what you think about today's DIY, and what other DIYs you'd like to see over on my channel. In this year, we are on the road to 100k subscribers, and we are starting slowly by slowly. So guys, share my videos widely on your social media pages, and tag me as well at Cosying Up with Essy, and I'm going to give a shout out on my social media pages as well. For daily dosage on DIYs, kindly follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cosying Up with Essy. And for any business inquiries, if you love what I make, and if you would love me to do something for you as well, just DM me on my social media pages, or write to me an email at cosyingupwithessy@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers guys, have a lovely week, and see you in the next one.